Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Jake, you're watching Mead, and today I'm going to show you how to get legit Windows 10 for fucking cheap, which is fucking awesome. If you don't like cheap shit, you're a weird cunt. That's all I can say. Now, on that, it is legal. It's legal, but it is in a bit of a grey area. So there is a disclaimer in this video that if it doesn't work for you, don't go crying to me because it's not always going to work. I've even had instances where it didn't actually work for me. So I've spent the money and it didn't work, but I'll go through reasons why it didn't work as possibilities. And anyway, but 9 times out of 10, this does work and you're going to still save yourself $100 or a couple $100, whatever fucking Windows costs in your region. Now, basically the way that this works is that in Europe, classic Europe, you can disassemble a machine. So let's say a machine that was built by some company, I don't know, ASA, for example. You might have built a machine, the machine's defective, and then rather than throwing away the whole machine with the licenses that came with it, in Europe you can actually extract that license and repurpose it for another machine. Now, technically, this license is meant to be shipped with the motherboard from the computer that we installed on, if that makes sense. So if you go to buy one of these CD keys, you'll notice that in the description it will say that they'll ship it with the motherboard as well. Don't expect to receive the motherboard. You might, I can't say that you won't, but technically they're supposed to send it with the motherboard. Anyway, that doesn't matter because you can actually install this Windows key onto a brand new computer. Let's say you've just built a machine, you're trying to save yourself a couple $100. Done. Alright, let's get into it. Basically, what you want to do is head over to ebay.com. It doesn't matter which region it is, but as long as you go onto ebay.com. Anyway, what you want to search for is Windows 10 key, or in my case, you'd rather go for the Pro. Doesn't really matter. You probably know you're going to use the features that come with Pro, but fuck it. You may as well go for the top of the line when it's coming this cheap. Now, you'll see all of these coming at you for like, so $10.80, $15, $19, $9.99. Now, it's pretty much guaranteed that all of these are going to work. These ones here are a bit more expensive, but that's because they're coming from an Australian store. What you want to do is scroll a little bit further down. Like all this shit, $142. They think they fucking are. Coming to international buyers, and this is where you'll get from America and the UK and all that. These are the cheap ones that you want to go for, and these are the ones that I use, and these are the ones that have worked for me in the past. So $6.75, $8.17. You know, these, you can't really go wrong. Personally, I'd probably go for one of the ones that have the highest star ratings, with the product ratings and everything like that. Go ahead, buy one of these. Now, once you've purchased one of these, normally the eBay seller will send you the license key directly to your eBay account. That and or they may email it to you from the PayPal account that you've paid with, which is important. So I also, when you put a message to the seller, I normally put the email that you want the license key to be sent to as well, just in case. But I've never had any issues. I've normally just ripped it straight out of my eBay inbox, but you know, just it always pays to put that little safety net in there as well. So you pay for it, they'll send you the key, you install Windows 10 Professional, make sure it's the license copy that you've got here, whack in your key, and that's it. You're done. Sometimes they'll supply you with multiple keys. 1 or 2 of them might not work, but one of them always will. And that's the important thing. So, and this also, by the way, guys, works if you wanted to upgrade your Windows 10 Home to Pro. This also works, whacking in a brand new key. When you click upgrade Windows through the settings and all that, it will work. So this is great. 100%. Now, the only thing that you need to know about this is that basically, unless you're going to use this key almost right away within the first day, it may or may not work. Because I've done this before. I've bought a few keys in advance, installed it over various machines, and because I waited like over a few weeks, they didn't work anymore. So it could have been a dodgy seller, but that hasn't really been the case for me. This has only ever happened to me when I've waited a period of time. So I would suggest if you're going to buy one of these, wait until you actually need the key. Almost all of them are instant as well. You get it within the hour that you purchase it. So yeah, if you're planning on doing it, say this afternoon, order it this morning. That's about as simple as it gets. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. My name's Jake. You're watching Mead. Post in the comments below if you've had any luck doing this before, or maybe if you've actually had some bad times doing this. Just as a warning to everyone else, because I'm only speaking from my experience, and it has worked for me a few times that I have done it. I've done it actually quite a few times now. It's a brilliant way to save money because this shit isn't cheap, and if you're like me, me, I think that Windows 10 is probably priced a little bit too much. If you want a risk-free experience, go ahead and pay your fucking $100 or whatever for Windows 10. That's your decision. But for me and for you guys, I think it's best to go with this way. And some of these machines have had this version of Windows 10 installed on for months, nearly over a year now, and there's no dramas at all. So again, can't guarantee that you'll have the same experience as me, but I hope you do, and I hope you've saved some money by watching this video and following this advice. Anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one.